Apple is facing new questions after a slump in sales. The tech giant's revenue declined for the first time since 2003. Sales of the iPhone fell for the first time ever. Apple's quarterly revenue was down about 13%. It dropped from $58 billion to $50.6 billion. The company's stock tumbled nearly 8% in after-hours trading following Tuesday's earnings report. Wall Street Journal financial editor Dennis Berman is here. Dennis, good morning.
Hi, great to see you.
Mild earthquake yesterday.
Mild earthquake.
A mild earthquake yesterday. What's behind it? Does it signal trouble for Apple?
Well, trouble for Apple is obviously a relative term. It makes about $10 billion in the last quarter,
right.
Revenue of $50 billion.
And as the Journal points out, that's more profits than Alphabet, Facebook, and Amazon combined.
Really, an incredible sum. So it's all relative. It had one of the greatest runs of profits at scale ever in the history of ever in U.S. history or world history. Yeah. So the problem I think going ahead is what is that next product? You've seen people with the watch. I've never actually seen people use the watch, but they are wearing the watch. And I think we get to the question of are they going to build a car? Are they going to have augmented reality? That is the big question. What's the next thing?
And part of the problem is the iPhone 6 was such a huge success, not only domestically but internationally. It's hard to find anything that can be that good.
Well, of course, Tim Cook would say wait till September. Right. There you will find the iPhone 7 and all of its glory. Will have lots of new features.
Go ahead.
But what's happening is that people are holding on to their phones longer. They're really quite incredible machines, and they might do something 10% better, a little bit better, but the length at which they're holding on to them is growing, and that is hurting Apple's iPhone sales.
That's such an interesting comment you made about the watch, because everybody I know that started out with a watch, very few of them are still wearing them. That's number one. But number two, we're all sitting at the table with iPhones. Nora's got 2 iPhones sitting over there. And Tim Cook the other day said it's been a challenging quarter. How does he explain the drop? What happened?
Well, the drops in China sales, that's where a lot of the new buyers are going. And frankly, more people around the world have the smartphones that they didn't have 3, 4, 5 years ago. So they're just not enough people who want to buy them overall.
With all the cash they have, are they going to be in the market to buy things?
The answer is no. I had someone yesterday say, oh, they're going to buy Tesla. That's a crazy idea. Right. They can buy all kinds of things. They have so much money, but are they going to do some huge crazy deal? No, I mean, it's just not in Apple's DNA.
So they're dependent on the products that are in the pipeline to regain the rate, the earnings.
And in that regard, it's so interesting to see the likes of Facebook, which is pushing hard into virtual reality. Apple is not quite there. So perhaps they'll unveil a new hairdryer. Is that what you guys are talking about?
It was supposed to be a surprise, Dennis.
Oh, okay.
It was a tease.
Perhaps you'll unveil a new product.
Thanks, Dennis. We'll be sure to have you back.
Stay put.
Be sure to have you back.
Wait for the iPhone 7. Thank you, Dennis.
Dennis will be leaving now. Thank you, Dennis. We don't need to worry about iPhone. Thank you, Dennis. It's good to see you.